this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo's automatic text-to-speech feature, which can greatly improve your videos, especially by adding voiceovers automatically generated. You can save time and money, especially when it comes to voiceover, outsourcing and all that. Now, I'm inside InVideo's advanced editor, and these are basically the different scenes I have for my project. So the scenes have text to go with it, and if you wanted to convert this text into basically audio, then what you need to do is you need to either position your playhead where you want to add this particular voiceover to, or the automatic text-to-speech feature to start working. So for this one, we have this text: 8 categories of easy jobs on Upwork that require little to no experience, into brackets, examples included, freelancer insights, etc. So if you want to add the text-to-speech feature, or the text-to-speech feature to convert this text into audio, then you'll need to come to the voiceover section, and you'll see the automated text-to-speech section. If you click on that, what is going to happen is that you're going to get this text is what is actually going to be there, and you can clearly see it, and you can actually edit out the sections that you don't want included in the voiceover. So we put a full stop there. Next up, you can select the language that you want to use. For example, US English, Indian English, British English, German, etc. Depends on the language, but there are a ton of languages in here. So you can just scour through and see what language is available for you. Next up, we're going to use US English. Next up, depending on the language or the language that you choose, the voiceover will be different. For US English, there are a couple of voiceovers available. From here, you can see the different voiceovers, and you can always click on the play button to preview the different voices. For example, let's preview Matthew.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
When you listen to that, it's more or less feels human. It has some slight element of like machine, but not many people will actually get to know that this is automatically generated. So let's listen to Sally.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Let's go to Justin or Kendra.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
That more or less feels too machine-like. Justin.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Now clearly, I may say it sounds a little bit machine-like, but there are people who speak more or less like that. But let's go with Sally, and then once you're satisfied, just click on Generate VO. So it's going to generate VO for this particular section, and we can actually preview this by playing.
8 categories of easy jobs on Upwork that require little to no experience.
Sounds pretty good. Nothing much to say there. Just click on Add Voiceover to Scene. So once you do that, depending on where your playhead was, that is where the voiceover comes in, but you can always drag it to where you want it to be, so that you can actually adjust that for the different sections. Now, you can keep adding the voiceover to different sections or different scenes that you have. For example, for this scene, we can do the same thing, automated text-to-speech, and depending on whether you're working with different scenarios or different speakers, then you can choose, for example, a different voice, and then we can click on Generate VO, click to play.
Are you looking to get hired for easy jobs on Upwork?
Now they clearly cannot get Upwork, so you may need to tweak how it looks like here. Let's try and tweak that. Let's add something like a dash, and then let's play.
Are you looking to get...
Let's generate first. Generate, and then let's see.
Are you looking to get hired for easy jobs on Upwork?
We need to make it feel or sound more natural. Let's add a space. Play.
Are you looking to get hired for easy jobs on Upwork?
Still sounds pretty bad. Let's generate. 。 Let's listen.
Are you looking to get hired for easy jobs on Upwork?
Doesn't feel too good, but we can just add it to the scene. So you'll need to tweak around everything. You can just move it to where you want it to be. You'll need to tweak around everything to get it to how you want it to sound like. So we can just zoom to fit so that we can see all the slides that we have here. You can keep doing that for the different slides that you have. You can also add the voiceover to all slides depending on what you want. But for this particular section, that is how you can use InVideo's automatic text-to-speech feature to quickly generate voiceovers for your videos in InVideo. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.